Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. You are watching 5 Minute Learning, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to write an essay on importance of good manners in life. So let's get started. Good manners are defined as courteous behavior of a person. A person having good manners is polite and socially acceptable. He possesses a behavior that is liked by all and which shows respect towards all classes of society. Everyone in a society is distinguished by the manners he or she possesses. Everything else, namely smartness, intelligence, and appearance, is considered secondary. Importance of good manners can be classified into two parts. Here is a look at both these to understand them well. Importance of good manners in social life. Good manners are a kind of way to interact with people. It is more of an art. The better you become, you get to discover more and more perks of learning it. Some common and known advantages of good manners are: a person with good manners is loved by uh, all, he or she becomes more desirable. You have treated everyone with respect. You also easily get favor from everyone in the hour of need, even if you are in a situation wherein you have to interact with new people. It won't be a difficult task for you. A person with good manners can easily draw everyone's attention. Nowadays, with proper learning and practice, everyone can learn to behave decently. One can so easily pretend to be well mannered, but the real test of being genuine comes during the trying times. It is normal to lose your mind at times in such situation, but even in these times, if you prove to be kind and respectful, only then you can be considered legitimate mannered. Importance of good manners in professional life. Nowadays, being mannered in your professional life is of prime importance. In job interviews, first thing that is considered is the etiquettes and behavior of a person. Many people, even after trying for numerous times, despite having a technical knowledge, fail to clear their job interviews. One of the reason can be lack of good manners during interview. Even though people are aware how important it is to behave properly, they fail at times, maybe because their brain is not habitual of keeping their behavior intact due to nervousness. One of the reasons for this is that we don't practice being mannered in our day-to-day lives. Thus, it is very important for one to inculcate these things as soon as possible. It's not only about behaving properly during the interview, but also in the office during normal working days. Communicating with your seniors and juniors, your manners during a business meeting or at the time of presentation, etc. We are being observed at every step at our workplace. Thus, it is necessary to learn manners in order to prosper in career. Conclusion: treating everyone with kindness and respect will not only make them happy but will also gain that same kindness and respect for you. Who in this world does not want to be treated nicely, but before asking for it we shall give. It's the only reasonable way we can expect for a good treatment from others. Thank you for watching. If you like my content and want to support the channel, please think about subscribing. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.